my channel. I look real ugly right now, so I'm being in disguise right now. I'm not comfortable with being ugly in front of y'all in the camera. I just wanna do a tutorial on, oh my god, I had the TV on.
Bruh.
So I do a lot of cussing, so I'm gonna try to limit my cussing because I want to get paid, you feel me? All right, y'all, so I look a hot mess, and I don't want to show y'all that I look a hot mess. We just gonna transform, disguisely. That's not even a word. We just gonna show y'all the transformation. So I did get this wig a long ass time ago. I already cussed it. I said ass. Everybody got an ass. That ain't a cuss word.
Ass.
So I did get this wig a long time ago, and it is the wig from Amazon, the pink wig. Lord Jesus, look what I've done. I've done almost everything to this wig. Look over here. So this video is about how to repair this wig, because honey, we ain't gonna waste no wigs, okay? We on a budget, okay? We gonna make sure this is gonna look good, like how it did right when I got it. I'm just gonna show y'all what I do, okay? This is not no bougie professional way of how to do stuff. This is just, oh, you got this, oh, you got that, mix it with that, and boom, clap, okay? All right, let's get to the shower. All right, this is the shampoo and conditioner I use for my hair. The conditioner I'm gonna use, because this is the only conditioner we got, so we're gonna use this conditioner, okay? I like this shampoo on wigs though. Maybe this is recommended for shampooing your wig. All right. So this is how much hair came out when I brushed it. That's how much hair came out when I brushed that. So it's not a lot. The next step is for us to blow dry.
Okay guys, so it looks like I put way too much oil into the hair. So I actually cut the ends of my hair. I did not show you how I cut it because I'm not a professional, as we said in the beginning. I actually curl the ends of my hair by using rollers and my blow dryer. I actually did it way too fast to where that's why I didn't show you guys how I did it. I probably would take my time doing it next time, but right now we're just gonna make it do what it do and proceed on to this wig. Okay guys, so my hair looks really oily. I have a feeling that honestly my light is way too bright because it wasn't looking that shiny. But when I first got this wig, it was really shiny to begin with. This is a Amazon pink wig. This is not no professional wig, so it's not gonna look professionally if that's word. So like I said, we're gonna make it do what it do and try to fix it. I put some dryer sheets onto my hair. I know that's a little trick people do to make it not so oily. So let's see if this works. Alright guys, so this is the final look. If it's not to your expertise, then I apologize. This is just me being cute because this is how I do. I am cute. Look at this angle and that angle. Boom.